I 3D printed this. This is a fume extractor, and it is powered by this 3D printed housing for a Milwaukee M12 battery. So it's basically battery powered. And here goes the charcoal filter. You have like a regular CPU computer fan and on and off switch. And you could take this anywhere you want. And on the bottom, I designed it for it to have a 1/4-20. So you could mount it on any tripod or any basically camera mount if you need to mount it anywhere. And then you could also get any angle you want.